So I have bought this machine. Okay, this is for extracting juice from citrus fruits like oranges or lemon, things like that. So I thought I should make a review for this so that if anyone looking to buy same company, same product, so they will have a little idea about the product. So this is basically IKON brand, which is in my opinion, I think this is from the Lulu group and looks good quality. The model number for this machine is AC, no sorry, this one is wattage. So basically the name of this is citrus juicer. Okay, so if you have same machine you can follow this video. So this actually juicer is all plastic made, as you can listen to the sound. This is I think the cap for the juicer. First you need to put the oranges over here, a half cut, and then put cap like this and then press. So in this way when you will press it, you will be able to extract the juice, and the glass for the juice is over here, and this is the power cord. One more thing I would like to tell you about this juicer is this is 240 watt, 220 to 240 watt, and if you are American and if you want to use it in America, so be careful about this, because in America I think the watt is only 110, not more than that. So maybe this machine will not work there. So this is 3-pin power cable for this. You can take out this glass after when you extract the juice. You can take out the glass from here, and has markings for the ml. For example, this much you have taken out, so it will be 100 ml, and this much 200, 300, 400, 500. So basically this glass will can maximum extract 500 ml of the juice. Okay, so don't extract more than that, otherwise it is going to spill out. And this is the power button over here. You just power it on over here and then put oranges and then start pressing. When you will press, it will start working, because under these plastic extractors there is button inside. When you push, they work. As you can see, this is the mechanism. So pressing will make it work. So don't search for any other button like how to make it work, because actually this pushing method will make it work. I am so far very much satisfied with this product, but I don't like the size of the cup or the jug, whatever you want to call it, mug maybe. So I don't like this, because this is very small, only 500 ml, and sometimes if you have guests at home, you cannot make a lot of juice. You need to make and then empty it every time to make more. I hope this video will help those who wants to buy this IKON citrus juicer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries or any questions regarding this citrus juicer. Comment below so that we can make a platform where all the reviews, all the suggestions and the opinions about this product will be sum up together. Thanks again. Bye bye.